Hello students, how you all are? Hope so you all are fine at home. I am Priya teacher from St. Paul's High School. I am going to teach you a computer subject. Today's topic is more about mouse. Let's start with our topic. Student, a computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is a pointing device that controls the movement of pointed arrow on the screen. A mouse is used for clicking and selecting files and folders displayed on the screen. More about mouse. Student, this chapter covers about mouse, different types of mouse, how to hold a mouse, functions of mouse. Student, mouse is an input device. It is also known as a pointing device because it points and selects items on the screen of the computer. It is connected with the CPU through a long wire. Mouse can also be used while playing computer games and drawing. Douglas Engelbart invented the first mouse in 1970, which was made up of wood. Student, look at the picture of the mouse. Scroll wheel is used for browsing. It helps you to move the cursor in any direction on the monitor screen. Right button of the mouse is pressed with the help of the middle finger. It helps you to perform some quick task. Left button of the mouse is pressed with the help of index finger. It is used for selecting and clicking icons. And it is also used for drag and drop and double click the icons. The very small moving arrow coming on the monitor is called a pointer. It can be of any type from the following. Student, you all know that the mouse is always kept on a mouse pad, which helps in its smooth and better movement. On the basis of number and types of button, there are different types of mouse available in the market like 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse and scroll mouse. Student, look at the picture. This is a 2-button mouse. This mouse contains two buttons, left button and right button. Student, look at the picture. This is a 3-button mouse. This mouse consists of 3 buttons, left button, right button and middle button. Student, look at the picture. This is the scroll mouse. It contains 2 buttons and a wheel in place of a central, that is a middle button. The scroll wheel helps to move the page up and down. Nowadays, scroll mouse is the most commonly used mouse. Student, let us learn how to hold a mouse. First of all, place your palm on the top of the mouse. Your middle finger should be on the right button of the mouse. Your index finger should be kept on the left button of the mouse and your thumb should support and hold the mouse. Look at the picture. Student, let us learn about different types of a mouse. Look at the picture. This is a trackball mouse. It contains a ball on its upper side which is called trackball. This ball enables us to move the cursor on the screen. Look at the picture, student. This is a ball mouse. It contains a ball inside it. The movement of this ball means the movement of cursor on the screen. The ball could be seen by turning the mouse upside down. Look at the picture, student. This is an optical mouse. It has a look of a scroll mouse, but it uses light in place of the ball to move the cursor on the screen. Student, let us learn about the functions of mouse. Now you know that the left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. Pressing and releasing the mouse button is called clicking. Left click, it means to press and release the left button of the mouse. See the picture. Right click, it means to press and release the right button of the mouse. Right clicking the mouse shows a list of commands. We click left mouse button with the help of index finger and right mouse button with the help of middle finger. Look at the picture. Single click, it means to press and release the mouse button once. A single click selects one item on the monitor. Double click, it means to press and release the mouse button twice quickly. Drag and drop, to move an icon to a new place on the screen is called drag and drop. Look at the picture. Student, you should not play with the mouse in the computer lab. Student, let us recall. Mouse is a pointing device used to point and select the item present on computer screen. Douglas Engelbart invented the first mouse in 1970, which was made up of wood. The mouse is always kept on mouse pad, which helps in its smooth and better movement. The left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. Pressing and releasing the mouse button is called clicking. Pressing and releasing the left mouse button twice without stopping is called double clicking. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.